Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm filming. It's 5 a.m. and I have to get ready for work, and for some reason I felt compelled to just sit here and film. I don't know, I guess I'm in my mojo right now to film. So we gonna do that because we do what we feel like doing at the moment. Anyway, I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin real quick. I'm gonna use the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose serum, face oil, whatever. It's a face oil. I just uploaded recently yes, I'm doing it like the Instagrammers do. I'm not stupid enough to put it over my eye, but it drips. Anyway, I've been loving this face oil. I kid you not. It just feels so good and absorbs into the skin. It does feel like an oil, but once it absorbs into the skin, all my makeup has been looking poppin'. So I like to prep by using the oil first into my skin. This oil has a lot of fruit-derived and flower-derived oils, which is good for the skin. If you do research on the kind of oils that work best for skin, I would recommend you do so. Anyway, 1010 would recommend this oil. You clearly only need a little bit. I put probably a little too much, but it's just gonna sit in the skin for a little bit while I prep to actually wear a wig today. Now I just gotta figure out which wig. So today I'm actually going to do a tutorial using my Norvina palette, which I have not used at all. I haven't even opened it. Like, I've been so obsessed with my Riviera palette that it's ridiculous. Like how I feel right now. And I have new wig bands that I got from AliExpress. I picked some up at AliExpress and those just came in. And these are actually from Amazon. Yeah, this is from an order, a same day shipping order from Amazon. And these were a little bit more pricier. All right, so that's set onto the skin beautifully. So I'm gonna go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Love, love, live. I'm gonna take my coin. That's literally what I use. That's probably too much, but whatever. Frey's just hacking along. I just use up everything that's on the coin because hygienically, not putting anything back in the jar. I don't use my fingers for this at all, so that's just that. Yeah, I put too much. I'm gonna spritz my face just a little bit, like literally like that. I didn't wash my booty blender. Be right back. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation stick in the shade 230 Light Beige. This has been literally my favorite thing to use lately, along with my Wet n Wild one. I think I reviewed it already. I don't know. I haven't been able to film a lot, guys. I apologize. I might do like an updated video, probably like a car vlog, but I don't know yet. I keep trying to do that. I'm trying to export some stuff out of my phone because I did a car review like a month ago and it's giving me shit. Every time I export it, it's not the same quality. So I'm just trying to deal with that issue I've been dealing with for about a month. I think now that I updated my phone, I'm going to try again and see what's good in the hood. I burned myself. And I just noticed that the other day because I was like, what the fuck's that on my forehead? And I'm like, well, you dumbass. You burned yourself with the curling iron because you're a dumbass. All right. So I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. This one's 125 Light Natural. I feel like I was calling it Light Neutral that whole time. I'm going to let this sit under the eyes for a while, but I'm going to blend it on my skin here because I don't want it to sit too long here. I just want it to give me enough brightness, but not super coverage. I like my skin to peek through. And around my nose. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty powder and just set my forehead. Lord. So I'm gonna set my forehead while, like, I literally am just going to take a little bit. And what I like to do is start on my frown line and build that up. And I do my powder a shit ton of different ways. And I'm going to powder my brow right here. I like to do that so that my brow products stick. Look how smooth my forehead looks. Like, this is amazing. This foundation just is amazing. Ugh, just the scab, man. She's rough, honey. And I don't have to set the rest of my face, but I like to take the powder brush and just kind of stipple. I don't know why. Just, I guess, force a habit, but it keeps me from, like, over powdering my skin, which has been very beneficial. So now I've let this sit into the skin, and I'm just gonna press this. This usually takes me like less than 5-10 minutes, but I'm talking to you guys, so this is gonna take a lot longer. And I'm not doing anything extravagant with my eye look. I'm gonna do the same shit that I do always on my eyes, just different colors. I mean, this isn't gonna be like a cut crease or shit like that. You guys know I don't do that anyway. I'm gonna set this real quick with powder because I automatically get creasing under my eyes, so no ifs or buts. Doesn't matter the concealer or what, it just does not matter. I'm gonna do my brows real quick while I let the powders kind of settle into my skin. I'm gonna do my brows. You guys already know I'm gonna use my ABH Dip Brow Gel. This goes by really fast for me because I do this pretty quickly. I've been sculpting my brows with this gel so much faster. It's making it actually enjoyable. And if you guys know anything about me, you know that my least favorite part of the process is doing my damn brows. It just takes so long and it's tedious. It's a pain in the ass. It was even worse when I had no brows. And me and the Dip Brow Gel were like going in like heavy. Listen, sometimes I look back at my videos and I'm like, should I just delete this shit altogether? Like altogether. Like my old videos are crazy. I used to actually be a lip gloss and mascara kind of gal. And then I found matte lipsticks because I was always looking for matte lipsticks. I always liked the look. But a lot of brands didn't carry matte lipsticks. So when matte lipsticks came to play in fruition and they became popular, I was like, this is my time. I'm going to use my Milani Sun-Kissed bronzer. I've gotten so many compliments since I started using this bronzer. It's insanely beautiful. It is Milani. It does come in a few shades. I'm not clearly it's not melanin, deep melanin friendly because there's, let's be honest, not a lot of brands have deeper bronzers for actually deeper skin tones. But this is good if you're yellow like me. How's that? I'm gonna blush my skin. I'm gonna actually use my Milani Tea Rose. This is Romantic Rose powder. Fuck. Too much, girl. Too much, but it's okay. Norvina palette. Let's see. It's beautiful though. All right. So clearly I haven't used it. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. To be quite frank, I mean, you could do something warm and dramatic. I kind of wanted to keep it in these kind of tones, but I don't know. I don't want to make it more dramatic than it needs to be because I have like shit to do. All right, we're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna wing it like I do everything else. And I'm gonna use my pants as a brush cleaner. You're gonna go in with Volatile. It's like a, ooh. There's a little kick up. Most of your palettes have kick up. Okay, Volatile is like a, okay, are we doing smoky today? All right, I wasn't planning for smoky, but okay. Shit, that's deep. Volatile is like a gray taupe, like a purpley gray taupe. Wait, taupe is purpley. Anyway, whatever. That's a nice color, actually. Fuck, I wasn't trying to do smoky, yo. And I tapped off my damn brush. Whoa, is this pigmented. I'm gonna use the shade Love here. and take that and see if that makes it a little bit. I don't fucking know what I'm doing, so whatever. Just adds a little, oh, that's cute. Ooh, Love is pretty, but Love is, she's taking it all over the place. These are very dusty shadows though, I'll tell you that much. I don't know if it's maybe my brushes. All right, so I'm taking it above the crease just to give me a little bit of not so much grunge, which is fine. She's blending beautifully on top of it. And this is the shade Love. I knew I was gonna love Love. I'm gonna take this Love shade with my Smith 220 and pop that on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna bring it down. So I kind of feel sad that I can't take my time with this palette. Oh my God, the kick up on this. It doesn't bother me, but it's like getting in the way. Actually, this is really pretty. Ooh, I love Love. Volatile with the same Smith 220 brush and pop it right there on the outer half. I'm sure I'm gonna end up adding a shimmery shade because Celestial is kind of calling my name. So is Rose Gold. Should I be just fucking do Rose Gold, girl? I'm gonna do Rose Gold. The right center shade. The Wild Child's pretty though. I'm just gonna take a little bit of volatile on the same brush and kind of rebuild up that depth because I kind of lost some of it. Rose Gold. And I'm only taking it on the tip of the brush because I want to press this onto the lid. Gentile. Wow, she's a beaut. You know what? I got it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this on the center of the lid. She's gorgeous. So I'm gonna take Rose Gold again, but this time I'm gonna wet it. Wet it. Wet it. We could have just started off wet, but that's not how I roll, guys. Ooh, bitch. She's gorgeous. I'm gonna use Wild Child, which is that light pinky shade right there. And she's a lot not as soft. And this one I'm just gonna take and wet it. I'm just gonna, because I want it for my inner. Okay, maybe I should have started off dry. And just blend this with both colors so it's giving me a little gradient and build up a little bit of that voltage shade. Right here, I'm gonna take a different brush. This one's softer. So I'm just gonna sit here for a bit and just kind of blend this into itself. Take this wee little, I'm gonna have to take this Dreamer shade right here. Let's pop it in the inner corner and see what we get. Okay. We're gonna pop it in dry, but now we're gonna pop it in wet. Wow, these shades are a lot softer than I'm noticing some of her some of the other ABH. Oh yeah. Oh God, thank you. I'm gonna take this small shader brush from Morphe. It is the M408. It's a very small shader brush, and I'm gonna take Celestial, which is this purple shade right here. Automatically, I'm gonna go in wet because it's gonna go for the lower lash line. So we're not playing. That's she's pretty. Now with this look, I probably would want to do an eyeliner, but I can't. I don't have the time right now. So I'm just gonna take a brush and take my Maybelline, I don't know. What is this thing? Maybelline something. Eyeliner. and just... I'm going to take my ABH So Hollywood loose highlighter. Gorgeous highlighter, honestly. I kind of wish she made something a little in between. Like light like this. A little lighter than this. But she made a stark white one, so... I'm just going to take this and pop it on my cheeks. And then, of course, I'm going to wet it. Duh. I'm going to take mauve. And this is like $1 lip liner. It's She Makeup. You get it online. So this is the Fussy Lip Gloss by Fenty. I'm going to swatch it first. It smells amazing. The best thing I've had on my lips. It has a pinky tone to it. It is beautiful. But let's be honest. I can't afford $20-something every single time for a new gloss. So one thing I will say is I'm probably better off getting the fuzzy lip gloss because this has 0.3 fluid ounces, which is 9 milliliters. And the prismatic, look at how crazy the packaging is, right? You think like, oh shit, I got a shit ton of product in here. No, fucking lies. This has 3.70 milliliters, which is 0.13 of a fluid ounce. This has 3 times the amount of product for maybe double the price because this is like 10 bucks. So I guess I'll be just getting fuzzy. But anyway, if you're looking for a dupe, as far as it's sitting on the lips, this is a lot lighter, but the shimmer on it is quite beautiful. So I'm actually gonna, damn it, I'm mad. So I'm gonna use the Milani Prismatic Peach. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my get ready with me using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.